Hey, it's Angela from the blog AngelaMarieMade.com. I'm excited to share how to build our DIY wood Christmas tree stand with you today. For this Christmas tree stand, I was inspired by vintage style crates for the design of it, so I mixed 1x4s and 1x6s on the two sides to give it that vintage crate look. For the wood, I used cedar because I love the look of it for Christmas projects. It gives that really warm and cozy look. Start by gathering all of your materials. You can get a full cut list, material list, and tutorial on my blog, which is linked below this video. This project is part of my 10-day DIY challenge going on right now. Alright, let's get started with this DIY Christmas tree stand. Step 1 is to measure your Christmas tree stand diameter. Measure the diameter or widest part of your Christmas tree stand that will go inside of the wood stand we are building. Our plastic tree stand is 19 inches in diameter. Step 2 is to make the lumber cuts for two sides of the tree stand. All of the boards need to be cut with a 5-degree mitered end. The first bottom board on each side of the stand should equal the diameter of your tree stand plus 2 inches. So our bottom boards were all 21 inches from the left bottom point to the right bottom point. Start with a 1x4 for the bottom board for one side of the stand and cut the ends with 5-degree cuts. We used a scrap board with a 5-degree cut to help mark where we needed to make our cuts. Next, use a 1x6 for the middle board. Cut one end with a 5-degree cut to create the right side of the 1x6. To get the measurement needed for this middle 1x6 board, line up the right top point of the bottom 1x4 board with the bottom right point of the 1x6 board end that has the 5-degree cut. Then on the left side, mark where the left 1x4 board top point ends on the bottom of the 1x6 board. This is where the left bottom point of the 1x6 should be. Use a scrap board to help mark the angle cut again. Cut the left side of the 1x6 board with a 5-degree cut. Repeat this process for the final top 1x4 board. Now we have the cuts for one side of our Christmas tree stand. Now it's time to create a second side where the bottom board will be a 1x6 followed by two 1x4s for the middle and top boards. Repeat the same process that we just did, starting with the same bottom board measurement as the other side. Now we have the cuts completed for our two different sides of the tree stand. Step 3 is to make the same lumber cuts for the other two sides of the tree stand. Repeat the same steps again to create the other two sides of the wood Christmas tree stand. After all of the cuts are made, there will be two sides with a 1x4 bottom, 1x6 middle, and 1x4 top board. And for the other two sides, there will be a 1x6 bottom and a 1x4 middle and top board. Step 4 is to stain the Christmas tree stand. It's easier to stain the boards at this part before assembling. We used a pre-stained wood conditioner followed by one coat of English chestnut by Minwax. We also used 2 coats of polyurethane on the boards. Step 5 is to attach the Christmas tree stand sides together. Use a miter saw and cut 4 2x2s at 10 inches long. Start with one of the sides where the 1x6 is the bottom and 2 1x4s follow. Begin with the boards clamped together with all of the edges lined up. We used popsicle sticks in between each board to create a small gap. You could also use a nickel. Attach the first side together using 1 2-inch screws through the 2x2s into each of the 3 boards. Use clamps to help hold everything in place, and use pilot holes first if you're using regular screws like us and not self-tapping screws. Repeat on the other side with the second 2x2 to finish attaching the first side together. Repeat these steps again for the second matching side, where the 1x6 is the bottom and 2 1x4s follow. Now it's time to add the other sides to these 2 assembled sides. Clamp together a 1x4, 1x6, and 1x4 side, again using popsicle sticks for the gap and all of the edges aligned. Then place the side with the 2x2 already attached, standing up, so the stand edges are aligned on each side as shown here. Attach the sides together using 2-inch screws through the 3 boards. Repeat this for the other side. Then add the last side of the stand the same way to finish assembling the Christmas tree stand. Lastly, we made sure our plastic tree stand was the perfect fit, and then we added our Christmas tree. I love how our DIY Christmas tree stand turned out, and I think it looks perfect with our Christmas tree. If you have any questions about this build, please let me know below in the comments, or you can ask over in our Facebook group at angelamariemade.com/woodworkingforthehome. Also, if you make this project, be sure to share it with us on social media. You can tag me at angelamariemade. You can get an extra entry in our DIY challenge giveaway for making this project. Enter the giveaway at angelamariemade.com/DIY challenge. Thank you again for stopping by, and please subscribe to my channel for more fun DIY project videos.